Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. In this video, I'm going to unbox my Sony A7R4 and Sony 24-70 f2.8 lens that I got from LensProToGo. All right, this is not a true unboxing because I already opened the box. And the reason why I did that is LensProToGo is a lens and camera and video and audio rental company. And whenever you get anything from any rental company, you should open the box right away and make sure that nothing is damaged so that you could tell them immediately whether or not you have anything damaged. This box came yesterday, so I did open it to make sure that nothing was damaged. And the one thing I do love about LensProToGo is that you probably will rarely ever get anything damaged because they ship everything that you rent in a Pelican case. So the Sony I rented and the 24-70 f2.8 lens is also in this Pelican case. So that's pretty cool. One of the couple things I really like about LensProToGo. The other thing I like about them too is they're all working photographers that work there, and they have varied disciplines. So for example, if you're a relatively new wedding photographer and you need to rent a backup camera, or maybe you're going to be photographing in a difficult venue and you don't know what lighting or lenses you might need to use, they have a wedding photographer on staff that you could talk to and they'll make recommendations. And that goes for any type of discipline. If you're an event photographer, whatever, they have someone there that could help you, and that's what I really like about them too. Now, as I open it up, hey, they gave me a sucker. And it's in another bag. And I'll open it up, and we look at, over on this side, we have the camera strap and the camera itself. So this is the Sony A7R4. Those of you that subscribe to my newsletter know that a week or two ago, I asked everyone to make recommendations of what type of gear they wanted me to review, and overwhelmingly, like 4-to-1, people said they wanted me to review the Sony A7R4, and here it is. And I gotta say, it feels really good in the hand, and that was kind of my complaint with other Sony versions. I used the A7R2 extensively and the S2 extensively, and I really didn't like the way that camera felt. I used the A7R3 a little bit, and that was a little better, but this actually feels really good. So I kind of like this so far. And I mentioned the 24-70 f2.8 lens, and there is that. And there should be a lens hood down here. We've got the lens hood. And they give you the power supply. So when you rent equipment, you're not going to get the box with all the accessories and everything, but you get, you know, the power supply, the battery. You will not get any memory cards whenever you rent equipment from anyone. So remember that. You need to make sure that you have the right memory card for whatever camera you're using. You could rent the memory card as well if you need to, but just make sure that you have memory cards for what you're using. Now overall, again, I'm kind of excited. I think this camera, the photos I've seen from it, it looks fantastic. I'm more concerned about ease of use, everyday use for the photographer. Another complaint I had in the past with Sony, and it wasn't probably a fair complaint, is I didn't like their menu system, but mainly you're talking to a guy who used Nikon like forever, and I'm so entrenched in the Nikon menu system, and I used Fuji a little bit, and Fuji was relatively simple. Sony's different. You know, and that's the main thing. You have to get used to it. So I'm going to be doing follow-up videos and a total real-world review video of the Sony A7R4, and then another video, real-world video, reviewing the Sony 24-70 f2.8. I think they call it the G-Master lens. So we're going to be checking that out as well. I'd like to thank LensProToGo for sending me out this equipment. In the description below this video, I'll have a link to them and a discount code if you're interested in renting anything. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.